Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hey babes, welcome. I go by the name of Lebu and this is my internet family. If you want to be part of this family, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, okay? Thank you. Anyway, guys, I am home. As you can see, I've been home for a couple of days now, and yeah, and can I just say thank you guys for 200 subscribers. Who you know got 200 subscribers? Who you know? I'll wait. Thank you guys for 200 subscribers. I am so happy and grateful that I've finally reached 200 subscribers. Ciao. So exciting. Thank you guys so much. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm home, and prior from me being home, I was vlogging right at my place. My console table got delivered, so I have a clip of the console table being delivered and whatnot. So I'm going to show. Let me look at the video. I'm going to show the video that I took when I opened the console table. So before I continue with this vlog, so yeah, that's what's gonna come after this. So I ordered plates on Takealot, not plates, but I ordered bowls on Takealot, and also my console table is also here, and it's very short. It's shorter than I anticipated. Yeah, that's the console table. It's very heavy. So let's just open these things so I can check them out. They look exactly as I thought they would look like. I just hope I give the packages gonna happy. I want to be happy.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on full. Oh, in the right on board. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life man. But thank God for the journey that's the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings all from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me? What time is sit down in a class and we put that on the scene.
Now,
If you soon get the higher ring like hello brother, say I just saw ya. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your son. You're falling on the man. Me have to come back for the journey, the burning, that's the plus. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my right. What's a toast to the friends with the club? Me load part time, sit down in a class, so important. Honestly, the road that me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job to breathe. I'm in the light. You know, some of us are ignited. Got the music, get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all from my life, man.
I am so happy. I am so happy with my console table. You guys don't get it. Anyway, guys, so tada, this is how my console table looks like. I was able to assemble it, but there's a screw. There's these things right here So according to the manual, it says that I should book this thing like this. I don't know if you can see me, and drill these things on the wall, like drill, put this thing around the leg of the console table and drill it to the wall. I don't have kids that will like maybe be playing around the console table, so I don't think this is necessary. I give you I should leave it here or put it here. I'm not sure, but maybe it's fine there. I'm thinking maybe it's fine. Wait. So guys, I think now it looks much better. Yeah, so you see, I think it looks so much better. I'm obsessed. And now I'm waiting for a mirror. I don't know if I'm going to put that mirror here or I'm going to take it to my bedroom. I'll see. And like I was saying, this console table is quite big for me to put something else here. So I'll figure out how it will be maybe a diffuser, maybe a picture. I don't know. I'll see. But I am so happy. I want to scream. So that's that. My console table got delivered and I am so excited. I'm happy with the quality. I'm happy with how it looks. I'm just excited to continue decorating my place and turning it into the home that I want it to be. So right now, I want to wake up and take I bought a watch and it is big on my wrist, so I want to take it for resizing. That's what I'm gonna do today, and then I'll see from there on how is my day going to go about. So yeah, that's that. Oh, ngazanga pink child. I'm pink everywhere. My nails are pink. Guys, my nails have lasted for so long. Like I see a leaf or anything like that. Anyway, I'll see you guys later.
Okay, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since 06, I've been writing the story. Know me. I know they blow trees, so you know me below me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I dey lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly. Love, I've seen the way to believe her. I do the world, I've seen her. We are nobody will be over. Now the Lord, I live over. Who's the boy that they buy? That's how they move the shit. And then I really put you to buy. Midnight was that she got.
Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes are set. Full of the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Not here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
You guys, Gucci. One thing about Gucci. $329.99 for a Gucci pair. Luna la dlala lona. Luna la dlala. I'm dead. Hey guys, so I'm back. We've been home for like a couple of hours now. Yeah, I think we got home around 6 and we just ate and just chilled for a little bit because I was so tired. I was very tired. The way we couldn't even go restaurant and eat because we were just like tired. Okay, just wanted to come home, be where it's warm, eat and then doze off, but fortunate enough I didn't doze off. So I've got a little bit of a who for you. I've got a haul for you guys. It's been a while. Oh my god. And I forgot to show you guys my watch, the one that I went to take for resizing. It looks so weird. Maro, it looks abnormal because this part is shorter and then this part is longer. But guys, I have a tiny wincey wrist. But yeah, this is my watch that I forgot to show you guys. I love it. It's so cute. How cute is it? It looks like a Rolex. I'm manifesting a Rolex. Okay, anyway, like I said, I went for shopping with my mom and I bought some few things. I don't know what to start with. Let me start with the clothing. So we went to a few shops. Okay, so from Edgars, myself these slippers. They were $149.99. Oh, this is from Mr. Price. Okay, that's all that I got from Edgars. And then from Mr. Price, I got myself some PJs. These PJs. I initially wanted the ones from Woolworth. I wanted the ones from Woolworth, but they were quite expensive for my liking. So lucky enough, when I got to Mr. Price, I saw these ones and I was kind of happy for the price. How much was this? These were, I don't know where the price is, but these were less than 200 if I'm not mistaken. So I'm kind of happy with that. Then from, okay, there are other things here that are not from Refinery. So let me just start with this one. So I got myself these pants. They are so cute. I'm getting a try on haul, but it's cold for that. Yeah, these pants, they are so cute. I got them from Legit for $150. They were on sale. Then from Refinery, I got these cute jeans. I don't know what are they called. Oh, wide high rise. So these are the jeans that I got from Refinery. They are not long. They are just before my what is it called? Is it an ankle? Just before my ankle. They are so cute. They look so nice on me. Yeah, so this is how the pants look like, the jeans look like. And I also got these ones for sale. The original price was 500, and then I got them for 250. What a bargain. It's a bargain. It's a bargain. So that's all with the clothing items. And then with the shoes, okay, let me show the bag, because I also got a bag, I think. So this is the cute bag that I got from Legit. I had promised myself that I wouldn't buy bags anymore, because I mean, I have a lot of bags that I haven't used in a long time. But when I saw this one, plus it was on sale, I was like, let me take it. It's so elegant. It looks like those Luella bags. It looks like those Luella bags. Bruh, I wanted to buy a Luella bag today, but I don't know if I've changed or what, but ever since I started working, I feel like I'm kind of cheap. I think I've become a cheapskate. No, because majority of the things that I bought here, they were on sale. They were on sale. And when I saw that Luella bag for 650, I looked at it. I analyzed the bag, and I was like, you are such a cute bag. But for this price, no. I'd rather not buy or have a Luella bag, I guess. And then God was like, it's fine, you'll find another bag cheaper than that. And I was so happy when I saw this bag. It was 170. The original price was 219. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, it was also on sale. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. I got it from Legit. I don't know if I mentioned. And then with the shoes, I got these cute loafers. Guys, I saw these loafers go Kavela. They were so beautiful. I wanted to take them, but because of the price, I was like, no ma'am, no. There are a lot of shops. There are probably some dupes that are way cheaper than that. So, and then I went to Exact, and then I got them for 150. Guys, never mind my nails. I know that they are grown, but I'm going to have to make a plan and take them off. But yeah, I love these shoes. How cute are they? I love them so much. I don't think you guys get it. Like, they are so beautiful. Can you see that? They look so expensive. They look so expensive. No, nearly 150 rand. From Mr. Price, I got myself these cute kitten heels. Guys, like I said, everything that I got, not everything, but majority of the things that I got, they were on sale. I got these cute kitten heels from Mr. Price. I wish I could fit these on for you guys, but no. So yeah, Udibofayana around your your leg, your ankle and stuff. But yeah, I think you get it. They're so cute. I got them for, the original price was 180, but I got them for 80 rands. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? They are so cute on my foot, on my feet. I'm obsessed. When I tell you that everything that I bought was on sale, I'm not kidding. Literally, I'm not kidding. Anyway, I got myself some Nike coats. That's how they look, from Total Sports. I'm obsessed. Very beautiful. I initially wanted black sneakers, but yeah, I didn't get them. Didn't get the size. I didn't have a size. So I opted for those ones. And then that's it with diaparo, Lady Clago. And then I went to Dis-Chem. I want to build a perfume collection, right? But I'm very, like I said, I don't want to be spending a lot of money. But I know this phase, it goes at some point. I know myself. It goes a phase. Please, Jesus, please, God. I need to phase it. It's not for me. I'm supposed to be spending money, okay? I'm supposed to be spending money. Anyway, so from what is it? From Dis-Chem, I got myself some perfumes. This is a Chanson. I'm not going to pronounce this because I'm not a perfume girl. So yeah, it's a Chanson something. De Oud. I'm sure it's a De Oud. I got a Chanson De Oud vanilla something. I think it's De Oud. Do we pronounce it like that? That's the name of the perfume, okay? The brand of the perfume. I get like pronounce I am. Oh wow, it's so pretty. How pretty is this perfume, child? It smells so amazing. It's vanilla flavor. Obsessed with it, guys. This looks so flippin' expensive. You've got to be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. And it smells amazing. Ugh, it smells so good. I'm obsessed with the packaging. Gotta get Amaga Dior. I'm manifesting Dior. Manifestation of a Dior fragrance. Anyway, and then I got myself this one. Oh, these perfumes, I don't know how much they were. They're probably less than 300 rands though. Yeah, not probably. For sure, they were less than 300 rands. Let me show you this one. The packaging of this one, it's not that fancy like that one. The fact that I sprayed it while I was at the mall and I can still smell it on me. It smells very nice also. I just don't like the packaging. The packaging looks very weird. It looks very weird. It looks like those perfumes that our parents used to have from ShopRite, like the Hopolams. Kind of looks like that. but it smells really nice. Oh, it smells really nice. So like I was saying, I am building a perfume collection. If you guys want me to share my perfume collection, my affordable perfume collection, please do tell me down below on the comment section so that I can prepare that video for you guys. But yeah, other than that, I think this is all from me with my haul. I'll see you guys when I'm actually leaving tomorrow to go to my grand's, so I'm most likely not going to vlog at all until I come back. So I think this is going to be me closing off the vlog. Yeah, and I also have a Shein order coming, so I'm quite excited about that also. But it is just basic things because I'm starting a new what is it called, a new I'm starting a new wardrobe. So go Shein, I bought some basic things like long sleeve shirts, tights, and that's all that I bought from Shein. It's nothing fancy, nothing that you would be looking forward to. It's nothing like what we just had right now. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll show you guys or not, I'll see. I'm quite tired, so I'll check you guys on the next vloggy vlog. Yeah, bye. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, because you can't keep coming back here. What's a subscribe? What's a subscribe? What? Subscribe. Guys, please subscribe. Anyway, love you loads. Bye.